GM and welcome to a very short video. This is day one of the abstract games, and as promised I will do a daily update on the games that you can play. This one only has a couple of hours left because I didn't have the time to record yesterday, so there's still about 7 hours left. So make sure to start the game if you bought one of the tickets. I explained this in one of my previous videos on the abstract series, but now let's talk about day one. Game one is open for the next 24 hours only on rektech.com/x/abstract games. You can also go through this here. This is the abstract portal, as you know, and then you should be able to sign in with your abstract global wallet. In case you already logged in with another wallet, make sure to log out and then sign in again with your abstract global wallet. Now let's hit sign in, abstract, approve, and boom. Now I'm in, and the first game is Dev Will Rug, and I'm gonna show you this real short. If you hit play now, how to play Dev Will Rug. You have $1,000 to buy meme coins. Only problem, the Dev will rug you. So basically like in real life. Your mission, buy and sell the meme coin before the dreaded red candle. Player with the most profit wins. Start game. All right, let's do this. Let's start with $50, and I've shown this before in one of the videos, and actually it can happen that you get rugged instantly, so don't start with too much. Let's go with the 51. I can't put in the 50, so let's go. Buy. Damn it. Too late. Only got a little bit more. Now I got $4 more. Let's go with the same amount. Let's go with buy. Let's go slowly because I've been rugged so hard on this here. Let's play it safe. It's completely up to you how safe you play it. You can go all in, but now we already have a little bit of plus, and now we're on rank 2572. You can also complete some tasks to get more cash, which can be useful to climb the leaderboard, but that's basically already it. Let's do 1 or 2 more rounds. Maybe we get an instant rug and you see how bitter that is. All right, 1.44. We got another 22. So soon we're plus minus 0 in case we get rugged with the 51 that we're playing with currently. Nope, rug avoided again. Now this is looking good. I will increase very soon, but basically you know how this game works. Let's see if we get rugged this time. If not, I'm gonna pause this. Rugged. Now I waited too long. Now I got rugged and the 51 earnings are gone. I'm still in plus, but lost 96 ranks. So that's game one. Make sure to play this a little bit if you got the tickets to place at least in the leaderboard with the $1,000, because I guess there's a lot of people getting rugged and having less than the 1K. So yeah, this might also give you experience points. I'm gonna come back with the next video tomorrow. Have fun doing this. Let me know how hard you got rugged and what your best gains were. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.